Hi everyone, today I'm out here with the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, and we're going to be demonstrating the live feed monitoring function of this gimbal because it's really quite unique. And that's because it has this detachable module here with a screen, and that view you're seeing in that right now is not the view from the smartphone that I have attached to the gimbal, but rather from this little module right here, which has the AI tracking and has a built-in camera inside of that little module. And that means that you can have this remote live view from that, even when you don't have this app connected to the gimbal itself. So this is entirely independent of the smartphone, and that's really very cool indeed. I'm going to show you why in just a minute here. So you have all kinds of controls on this little device here. You have a joystick, so you control the movement of the gimbal. You've got a record button, and you can even access settings, orientation. You can lock it down, you can zoom in and out there with it, and you have a whole bunch more settings in there. So there's a lot you control just from this little remote control unit there. And so now I'm going to sit down, play a little bit of mandolin. Hope I don't embarrass myself too much doing that. Okay, so as I move in the frame, I can see on the display here that the tracking module on the Hohem iSteady V3 sees me, and I can hit record, and that should start recording on the smartphone. I'll sit down. I can use this to just monitor myself here, and it looks like I need to be better centered in the frame. That composition looks good. And time to play. Needless to say, I'm not the greatest at the mandolin, but this is a good demonstration of how a solo creator might use the Hohem iSteady V3 with this remote monitoring tool. This is really, really handy with all the functionality it delivers for remote controlling the gimbal. And overall, I think this is a really cool aspect of this product that is, I believe, unique to it, so far as I know. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!